Hi guys, I'm Shrilyasta and today I'm back with a very useful makeup idea or makeup hack. Aren't you afraid what to do before you go out? Wing liner or smoky eyes? In case this question is driving you mad, keep watching and learn the signature eye makeup look. So let's get started. So basically this is an eye makeover look, but I'm gonna prep my face before getting started with the tutorial. So here I'm using this youthful hydrating moisturizing lotion with water bank technology. I always prefer this before makeup because it's basically a water based formula. It's lightweight and non-sticky. I would definitely recommend you to try this for once. So I have listed the price on the screen and the link on the description box below. You can use it to buy the product. So this is My Glam's Tinted Perfection Face Primer. I'm using the shade Banana. The key features of this primer is it will blur your pore, fine lines and uneven texture with a soft focus effect. This is suitable for all skin types and it's free of mineral oil and preservatives. Now let's skip to the brow portion. What do is I just fill up my brows by using this My Glam Stay Defined 2-in-1 eyeliner plus HD brow powder. My shade is Ebony and Walnut. So it's very easy to use. I just fill up my brow shape. Now will be a very short and simple makeup look. So after doing the brows, all I'm doing is covering my dark circles using the color corrector. So here I'm using the Total Makeover FF Cream palette. My shade is Honey. It's available in other 4 shades. The best thing about this is it's lightweight. It's SPF 30 tested. It has a medium to high buildable coverage. Next for the foundation, I'm going to use the Pose HD foundation stick. My shade is Golden Honey. I like this foundation and this is the first time I'm using foundation stick and my experience has been very good. This will give you a matte finish with a super smooth application. It has a medium to high coverage and it's available in 10 shades. I'm done with the base makeup and now I will directly go to the eye makeup. So here I am going to use 2 palettes from the Pop Exo range with My Glam. So from the first palette as shown said nudes, I'm using the brown color on my crease. I'm blending it well and then from the Hot Mess palette I'm using this vibrant pink. I will be using this over the brown to cover my lids. I hope the colors are visible to you all. So first the brown on the crease and then I'm blending it with the pink. After that, I'm using the Manish Malhotra palette Soiree and using this glitter that's a mixture of brown and gold. You will get it on the top right corner. And then I'm using this pink glitter as well. These are not glitters, they are basically the shimmer sheets. And yeah, I apply them with fingertips instead of brushes. Now you have to seal every eye look with a great mascara or false lashes. I don't use false lashes for daily wear makeup, so here is the My Glam Twisted Mascara. I absolutely love it and I would recommend everyone to use this product at least once in your lifetime because of its applicator. It's waterproof and you won't be even needing the lash color as well. Now just to finish up my look, I'm just applying blush from the Cheesy Lit palette. That's also from My Glam. This palette is really great and has all the 3 things you need: blush powder, contour and highlighter. And finally, I'm using a gloss from Fay Beauty because I don't want my eye makeup to get overshadowed by any dark lipstick. So this is the look guys. You can apply it with a matte base or dewy foundation, but it will go with your both ethnic and western wear. Thanks for watching. Please do recreate and don't forget me to tag in Instagram.